Hey everybody, Janice Allen here, and it's time for Home Tip Tuesday. And my tip for today is all about that dry winter air. Is the air in your home really dry because you have been blasting the furnace all winter long? If you don't have a built-in humidifier, you may want to check out these 3 creative ways to add a little bit of moisture into your home. Number 1, keep moisture in the area with a tea kettle or a pan of boiling water on the stove or even on a wood stove. Number 2, take advantage of those vents, and if you have radiators, you can place a small bowl of water on top of the heating floor grates, which can add some extra humidity to the dry winter air. And number 3, bring more plants into your home. Plants must take in water through the roots. However, not all water absorbed by the plant is used, and instead, most of it is evaporated back out through the leaves in a process called transpiration. I hope you found these tips useful. Bye for now.